Hello students, my name is Deepak Mani and this is my sixth lecture on mathematical logic. Topics we are going to discuss in this lecture are quantifiers and quantified statements, duality, and then examples. So let us start with our first point, quantifiers and quantified statement. First we discuss about quantifiers. So in logic, words there exist and for all are called quantifiers. That means there are two types of quantifiers. There exist is called existential quantifier and is denoted by using this symbol. For all it's called universal quantifier and is denoted by this symbol. Next, quantified statements, and the definition is an open sentence along with quantifier becomes statement and is called quantified statement. So we all know in logic open sentences are not statement, but this open sentence along with quantifiers become statement and that statements are called as quantified statement. For example, let us consider one sentence: x plus 3 is equal to 5. This sentence may be true or false. It depends on x. So such sentences are called as open sentence. That is, x plus 3 is equal to 5 is an open sentence. Now we write this open sentence along with quantifier. So first we write this open sentence along with there exist. So this can be written as there exists x belongs to n such that x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is called quantified statement. This quantified statement may be true or false. If at least one natural number satisfies this condition x plus 3 is equal to 5, then we say that this statement is true and hence the truth value of the statement is true. Now we write this open sentence along with for all. This can be written as for all x belongs to n, x plus 3 is equal to 5. This statement may be true or false. This statement is either true or false. This statement is true when all natural numbers satisfy this condition. Okay. Now here this capital N denotes set of natural number. Now in example number 1, there is one natural number 2 who satisfy this condition x plus 3 is equal to 5. That means this is true statement. Hence its truth value is true. So our answer is here x is equal to 2 belongs to n satisfies x plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore the given statement is true. Therefore its truth value is capital T. Now in second example, since all natural number does not satisfy this condition x plus 3 is equal to 5, that means this statement is false statement. So the truth value of this statement is f. So our answer is since all natural number does not satisfy x plus 3 is equal to 5, therefore the given statement is false and hence its truth value is f. Next, dual. So if two statements contain logical connectives like or, and the letter small t, small c. Small t used for tautology, small c is used for contradiction. Then they are said to be duals of each other if one of them is obtained from the other by interchanging or by and t with c. For example, the dual of P or Q is, we replace this or by and. So the dual is P and Q. The dual of T or P we replace this T by C and OR by AND. So the dual of T or P is C and P. And the dual of T and P, here we replace T by C and AND by OR. So dual of T and P is C or P. So to find dual, we have to replace OR with AND and T with C. Now our first question, if A is equal to, in curly bracket, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, determine the truth value of each of the following. Now the first statement, there exists x belongs to A such that x minus 8 is equal to 1. So here x is equal to 9 satisfies this condition because 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. That means this is true statement and hence its truth value is t. So the answer is here x is equal to 9 belongs to A satisfies x minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore the given statement is true. Therefore its truth value is t. Second question, for all x belongs to A, x is an even number. So obviously in A, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these numbers are not an even numbers. That means this is false statement. So its truth value is F. So our answer is here x is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 belongs to A which are not even. Therefore the given statement is false. Hence its truth value is F. Next question number 3. There exists x belongs to A such that x square less than 0. The square of any real number is पॉझिटिव्ह और ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू 0 आपल्याला माहित आहे. आता या ठिकाणी बघितला तर ए मधल्या द स्क्वेअर ऑफ 3 इज 9, द स्क्वेअर ऑफ 5 इज 25, द स्क्वेअर ऑफ 7 इज 49, द स्क्वेअर ऑफ 9 इज 81, square of 11 is 121, the square of 12 is 144. So no element in A satisfy this condition. That means this is false statement. Hence the truth value of this statement is F. So our answer is here no element in A does not satisfy x square less than 0. Therefore the given statement is false. Therefore its truth value is F. Next question number 4. For all x belongs to A, 2x plus 9 greater than 14. So here all elements in A satisfy this condition. When we take x is equal to 3, so here 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 9 15 which is greater than 14. When we take x is equal to 5, so 5 2s are 10 plus 9 19 which is greater than 14. That means all elements in A satisfy this condition. That means this is true statement and hence its truth value is true. So our answer is here all elements in A satisfies 2x plus 9 greater than 14. Therefore the given statement is true. Therefore its truth value is T. Next question, write the duals of each of the following. So dual is obtained by replacing OR with AND, T with C. So our first statement pattern is P or Q and R. So we replace this OR by AND and we replace this AND by OR. So the dual is P and Q or R. Second statement pattern P and negation Q. So we replace this AND by OR. So the dual of the statement pattern is P or negation Q. Next, third statement pattern C or P and Q or R. So for dual we replace this C by T, this OR by AND, this AND by OR. and this OR by AND. So the dual is P and P or Q and R. Now the third statement is it is cold and raining. So for dual we replace this AND by OR. So the dual is it is cold or raining. Today's homework, in question number 1, some quantified statements are given and we have to write their truth value. And in second question, some statement pattern are given and we have to write dual of each statement pattern. So take screenshot and try to solve. Thank you.